So hello and welcome back to a new video. Interesting. So today is the 5th of June 2026 and today is Friday. So got a very long weekend because Monday is a bank holiday, public holiday. Anyway, so I got lots of cameras in this long weekend. I want to set up a network, at home, and I got a switch as well, PoE switch. So let's get started. Didn't expect this one at this moment because I got so many cameras. Look at these cameras. I'm expecting to configure them one. This very old camera doesn't have a reset button. Yeah, I was trying to connect with the switch. I just discarded this one, but yeah, didn't work. Every bit of cameras here just to make if they can work, and really. At the same time, look at this laptop acting so weird. Why is that, dear? Why is that? Let me try. I know it's not gonna work again, but let me try putting the password in first. Okay, bear with me. Let me know in the comment section if anybody knows how to resolve these things. But okay, it's saying like it's obtaining IP address right now. But it's still saying obtaining IP address. It will take a couple of minutes and it just says couldn't obtain it. SATA cable connecting to the peripheral devices. LISTDIS gap list disk LIST. You believe it? Whole day. Oh, thank God. Ooh, that's where I left yesterday. Jeez. Ready. So I'm putting the screws back in this computer laptop and putting everything back in. What I have realized is asking to AI things, if you stick with them, most likely they're gonna give you a result sooner or later. But the great thing is they will help you to develop patience. I stick with that whole day, actually since yesterday. If I have to think like, did I do something very special today? I will say, not really. But is your laptop working now? Yes. Did you made it yourself? No. Who helped you? AI. What did he help in? I don't know. You know where I'm coming from? Like, anyways, the laptop is working now. I'm more than happy. And I gonna set up some network. Okay, so camera is working. Perfect. So we were able to configure this one. So we just tried to capture the IP address from the Wireshark and the camera, and this laptop IP was in the different network, so we changed it, and we were able to log in with the IP address right there, and happy days, it's sorted now. Let's refresh this one again. So I tried all 3 cameras, so when working, let's go to another one. Come on, champ, that should be working as well. There we are, and another one. That's it. That's my leg. Yep, that's working too. Great. And yeah, initially all of this was just in a single network. However, now I made this one to another network so that these cameras can be observed from another computer or a mobile phone. So let's check this one in my laptop. So here That's it. That's the camera working great. So we spent the 3 days, 2 days actually, yeah, 1 day for a laptop and another for cameras, and this is all sorted. Let's go.